Thanks for being with us for your news at noon, almost 20 after, about 18 after 12. Glad you're here. All right, what we're dealing with, the moisture release, this originates really off the west coast and wraps around through the southwest, up in our area where the rain is right now. Here's where Chicago is. Here's La Crosse. Give you a closer shot. Mainly just cloud cover for us. As you can see, rain towards Milwaukee and Madison right now, legitimate rainfall. Closer shot for us, see this, maybe some sprinkles, a few flakes in there. Very minimal, very isolated at this point. Our southern viewers, really not a whole lot. Here's Prairie du Chien right here. It's really south of our viewing area for the most part. City Cam 8 looks pretty cloudy, pretty gloomy for us right now. 36 La Crosse, 33 in Eau Claire, Ladysmith 32, 34 Winona, same for Decorah. Further south, Prairie du Chien right now, and also Boscobel at 37. The winds are pretty light right now, calm in some locations. In fact, if you see the winds, they seem to be wrapping around this direction because they're wrapping around a low over Michigan at this point. Wider view of what's going on across the country on Sky Tracker. Cloudy skies for us our afternoon, pretty spotty. This is tomorrow morning. You start to see the potential for some rain in our area. It doesn't look like a whole lot till we get into potentially the afternoon commute on our Thursday. It's in the form of rain. Now, as it makes its way out of the area into our Thursday night, it could leave us with a little bit of wet snow and a changeover process, possibly if the temperatures drop that cold. Close-up shot this afternoon, could see some spotty precipitation, very isolated. Tomorrow morning, still pretty isolated for our morning commute. We get a little further into the day on our Thursday, the afternoon commute. Then we're seeing potentially rain. Here's La Crosse, Winona, Black River Falls, Viroqua. You get the general idea. Towards Eau Claire, it doesn't really look like much, if anything. This is midnight tomorrow night as it cycles its way out. As far as ice potential, this is a lot to absorb, but the potential of getting 1/100th of an inch of precipitation in the form of ice for our area, we fall into the less than 10% category, really closer to the 1%. This is what it looks like on the ice tracker. Really minimal, if anything, for our viewing area, though, but certainly want to keep an eye on that. Doesn't take much to call as a hassle for us. 36, that's where we're headed this afternoon. Cloudy, a little bit of fog, perhaps some drizzle for this afternoon. Really, that's about it. We started about 33 for tomorrow morning, so at least above freezing. 60% chance of seeing some precipitation on our Thursday, likely in the form of drizzle, a high of 37. Notice the fog, too. We're going to be dealing with patchy fog really through the rest of today, our Thursday, our Friday, perhaps Saturday. And look at that, Alexander, we start to see some sun as we get towards the end of the weekend, early next week. And look at those temperatures, too.
It's like a scratch off where you just keep getting a better number, right?
I love that. That's a good analogy
That's
metaphor.
what I thought
Thank
of.
you. I'll borrow that for later.
Yeah, you're welcome. That's what I'm here for. Thank you.